Perfumes matured for over a year, so I had to try this. Hey everyone, Oman's one of the finest perfume brand, Art of Fragrance, has opened their fifth outlet in Kurum Complex opposite Nando's. What makes their perfume special is that the fragrances are matured for 3 months, 6 months, and AOF Signature Collection is matured for over a year, which makes them richer and long lasting. No wonder the brand has won multiple awards like Gulf Achievers Award and Perfume Brand of the Year. And right now, the best part, they are offering 30 to 70% discount on selected perfume range. Honestly, this one has become my personal favorite and I have already grabbed mine. You can visit them at Seeb Al Khod, Matra, Barka Souk or purchase online on their website. Go check them out. Bye bye.